Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I have decided to stop monetizing my channel. It's not working out with the finances. Just to give you an example, last year I spent over $8,000 in supplies and materials just to make the videos that I was shooting for last year, and that wasn't even that much. And you know, I only come out with $1,200 for the year, so the money is just not coming out, and plus I have to deal with the taxes and all that stuff. So today I am just shutting it down. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna keep the channel active, but just not monetized. So I would still encourage to subscribe and share and all that stuff. I'm just not going to be making any money on it anymore, and that's mostly just due to tax reasons and, you know, the finance stuff. Now I'm just going to concentrate on really building what I want anyway, and I've always done that really, but now I'm just gonna, if I film anything, it's strictly for me and to share with you guys. So that's the direction I'm gonna take with this channel as of right now. I don't even know if I'm going to keep the social media stuff. Not making any money on the social media stuff anyway. It was just more a way to connect with you guys, and that's really what this journey was all about anyway. Just getting involved with the community and sharing ideas and woodworking techniques. That was the whole purpose of this YouTube channel adventure. I had no intention to get rich quick off this stuff, and I didn't. I made a few bucks, but you know, nothing compared to what I spent making these videos and sharing with you guys. But you know, every now and then I did make a paycheck, and you know, I went out to eat, or you know, bought a new tool or something like that. But from here on out, at least for the foreseeable future, I'll still post videos on, you know, at least a few times a year anyway, more or less just to keep the channel active, but I just won't be making any money. So the video formats from this point will be much more realistic, I guess. Sometimes we YouTubers beautify things for the viewers. So either to tell the story or to, you know, display the project that we're working on at the time, or, you know, whatever the case may be. We commercialize it, I guess you can say. But, you know, from here on out, fuck it. You know, I'm going to do what the hell I want to do, because I'm not going to get paid anyway. So that's how it is. I still encourage you to stick around and, you know, go back through the 500 other videos that I've made over the last 8 to 10 years and, you know, check them out. There's still good content on this channel. I feel that, and I believe that. I'm not the best woodworker, and I know that. But the YouTube world has gone commercial, and right now I'm just not feeling that, and I don't want to bring in, I would love to bring in sponsors and pay for my lifestyle, but my channel is just not big enough, and that's the reality of it. And until it ever gets that big, I'm not going to bring in the sponsorships to you know, pay for my lifestyle. So this is a second time gig for me, and it's always been that way. I know I'm not the right person to sit here and sell your product. I'm just not that guy. I don't have the presentation factor, you know, and there's some people out there that is excellent at it. But you know, that's another thing I'm kind of not liking about YouTube either. You know, I pay for no ads for YouTube, but every content creator out there embeds their own ads within their video. Yeah, I don't see the YouTube ads, but I still have to watch their ads. And, you know, that's just, it's annoying. It's what it is. And maybe this is a channel killer here, and, you know, at this point, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, I made the videos because I liked making them, and I made the projects because I was doing it anyway, and I enjoyed it, and I still enjoy it. But I'm enjoying it more now, not videoing it, not documenting it. I'll just throw a picture up on Facebook every now and then, and you know, that's as far as I'm going to take it for right now. If I find something really worthwhile videotaping for mostly my own records, and you know, so my grandkids can see stuff someday, I'll videotape it for that. And you know, I'll still post it on the channel, and I'll still share it with you guys. Just know I won't be getting paid for it. So, you know, you might hear a cuss word here or there, and you might see me picking my nose or whatever, you know. It's not gonna be beautified, and I'm done with that. So the realization is I'm gonna do what I want on this channel from at least this foreseeable future. I have thought about creating a second channel. Well, I got a second channel, and I've put videos on it, and I've never turned it on. So I have, you know, a dozen or so videos on a different channel, totally different subjects and stuff. I just never turned it on because I wanted to do that a little different. And I may go back to that and open that door up a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point. I just know that the money's not working out, and the taxes is not working out for me. So that's why I'm shutting it down, and that's the main reason I'm shutting it down as far as the dollars go. The channel's still active. There's still plenty of videos to watch on my channel, and I encourage you to do that, and I hope you do. I would still like to see a YouTube plaque in this garage someday. But, you know, it is what it is. So that's all I really got for you right now. If anything changes, I'll let you know, and we'll go from there. Thank you for all the subscribers that, you know, followed me over the years. I really appreciate it. Don't give up on me, and don't give up on the channel. But, you know, if you unsubscribe, I get it. But who knows? The content may be better with me not beautifying it. I don't know. We'll see. But this is going to be my sign-off video, and we'll just see where this takes me. So look forward to the next chapter, I guess, in this adventure, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you when I see you.